The Liebherr R 300 G8.8 is a formidable mining excavator, boasting a powerful Cummins QSK38 engine, delivering 1,350 horsepower with an operating weight of 253 metric tons. It can handle massive workloads. Its key features include Liebherr power efficiency for optimized fuel consumption, advanced technology like truck loading assist, and an innovative EVO bucket for increased productivity. The R 300 G8 also prioritizes operator comfort with a modern cab and prioritizes environmental compliance with Tier 4F Stage 5 emission standards. An electric drive version is available for zero emissions operations. This high-performance excavator is designed for demanding mining operations. The Morbark 6400 XT is a powerful horizontal grinder equipped with a Caterpillar C27-32 diesel engine, delivering 1,200 horsepower. It features a large 60x60 in-feed opening, a robust X61375 hammer mill, and a substantial screen area for efficient material processing. Designed for heavy-duty applications, this grinder incorporates advanced technology, like the Morbark Integrated Control System, for optimized performance and features, like a removable in-feed floor for ease of maintenance. The Morbark 6400 XT is a high-capacity grinder ideal for processing large volumes of material, such as trees, stumps, and other woody debris. The Asa-Lift T 260B is a trailed harvesting machine designed for efficient carrot and root vegetable harvesting. It boasts a 6 tons bunker capacity, a 550-inch pickup with PK5 profile belts, and a gear-driven cutter system with a super gearbox. Equipped with a 100-centimeter wide elevator and a maximum unloading height of 4.2 meters, the T260B offers smooth and efficient material flow. The machine features a hydraulic system with a Vario LS pump operated by the PTO and an Asa-Bus electronic control system for convenient operation. The T260B is designed for high productivity and efficient harvesting in various field conditions. This trailed harvester offers a combination of high capacity, efficient operation. The Horizon DSX seed drill is a high-performance machine designed for precise seed placement in no-till conditions. Key features include a modular design with adjustable working widths 4 meter to 9 meter and row spacings 25 centimeter. It utilizes an undercut disc row unit for deep penetration and consistent seed placement, while parallel linkage system ensures excellent contour following. Hydraulic downforce provides precise control over seed placement, and a pneumatic closing system optimizes seed-to-soil contact. The 5700 L hopper split 60 or 40 allows for efficient seeding operations. Optional features such as row cleaners, fertilizer kits, and different closing wheel options enhance versatility. The Honda Navi boasts a unique blend of scooter and motorcycle features. Powered by a 109cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine with a Viamatic automatic transmission, it offers easy maneuverability and excellent fuel efficiency. The chassis features a 50.6-inch wheelbase, 30-inch seat height, and a compact design. Suspension includes a 26.8mm inverted telescopic fork in the front and a single shock in the rear. Braking is handled by a 130mm drum. Brakes front and rear with a combined braking system. Distinctive styling, integrated storage, and a low seat height further enhance its appeal. It boasts a unique blend of scooter and motorcycle styling with a low seat height of 30 inches, making it easy to maneuver. The Kuhn Espro 6002R is a trailed min-till seed drill designed for efficient and precise seeding in various soil conditions. This 6-meter machine boasts a 3,500-liter hopper and utilizes independent working sections for optimal performance in both plowed and min-tilled fields. Key features include a cross-flex seating bar with large diameter discs for consistent depth control, narrow press wheels for reduced soil compaction, and adjustable ground pressure up to 120 kilogram. The Espro 6002R is known for its versatility, precision, efficiency, and user-friendly operation, making it a reliable choice for farmers seeking high-quality seeding results, all while minimizing soil disturbance. The Sanlorenzo SD 132-2 is a 40.7-meter luxury yacht with a composite hull and superstructure, accommodating up to 10 guests and 8 crew members, powered by either 2X MAN V12 and 1,650 horsepower engines. It boasts a maximum speed of approximately 17 knots and a cruising speed of around 13 knots. Spacious deck areas, luxurious interiors, and advanced technology, including state-of-the-art navigation and stabilization systems, contribute to an unparalleled onboard experience. The SD 132D showcases Sanlorenzo's commitment to crafting vessels that transcend mere functionality, allowing owners to embrace a lifestyle of refined leisure on board, making it a sought-after choice. The Marine Travelift 820C is a powerful mobile boat hoist capable of lifting and transporting super yachts up to 75 meters in length with a lifting capacity of 820 metric tons. It utilizes 4 sling sets for wide load distribution and 8 winches with independent hoist, blocks for secure handling, designed with robust construction, and advanced control systems. The 820C ensures precise and reliable operation for even the largest vessels. This heavy-duty equipment plays a crucial role in the marine industry, facilitating the movement and maintenance of large yachts and other vessels. Marine Travelift 820C offers a combination of strength, precision, and safety. The Vervaet Q 621D is a high-performance beet harvester equipped with a powerful 530 horsepower DAF PACCAR MX 390 engine and advanced hydraulics from Sauer Danfoss. It boasts a 21-ton bunker capacity and can reach transport speeds of up to 38 km per hour. The Q621 has unique Q-turn system that allows it to turn on its own axis, minimizing soil compaction and increasing maneuverability. Its Hydrotrike chassis ensures excellent stability and traction, while its modular design enables customization to meet individual needs. The harvester also features a comfortable cab with excellent visibility and advanced technology, such as GPS guidance and automatic steering for enhanced efficiency and precision. The Knight M1 PS boasts a 4,000-watt brushless, DC-geared motor with 170 nanometer max torque, propelling it to speeds of up to 34 or 37 meters per hour, powered by a 72-volt, 48 Samsung lithium battery. The M1 PS offers a range of 70 miles on a single charge, hydraulic disc brakes, and a robust suspension system, including hydraulic shock suspension in the front and hydraulic adjustable double suspension in the rear ensure a smooth and controlled ride. The M1 PS also features 12-inch tubeless tires, a color LCD display, LED headlights and taillights, and a comfortable seat, making it a powerful and versatile electric scooter. This scooter is ideal for those seeking an exhilarating and efficient urban commute.